नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण मॅग्नेटिझम हा टॉपिक चालू केला होता. त्याच्या 3 व्हिडिओज आपण तुम्हाला सेंड केलेले आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ऑफ मॅग्नेटिझम आपण पाहिलं आहे. नंबर ऑफ डेफिनेशन्स आपण शिकलो. त्याच्यानंतर टॉर्क ॲक्टिंग ऑन अ बार मॅग्नेटचं डेरिवेशन आपण पूर्ण केलेलं आहे. आज आपण अतिशय महत्त्वाचं डेरिवेशन दॅट इज magnetic induction at a point on axis of bar magnet. हे डेरिवेशन आपण बघणार आहोत. या डेरिवेशनवर नंबर ऑफ MCQs हे 20 ते 25 MCQ आहेत. हे डेरिवेशन बोर्डामध्ये 3 मार्काला विचारलं जातं. त्याचप्रमाणे या कन्सेप्टवर प्रॉब्लेमसुद्धा 3 मार्काला विचारले जातात. अतिशय इम्पॉर्टंट कन्सेप्ट आहे, त्याच्यामुळे सगळ्यांनी केअरफुली लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. टू डिटरमाइन द मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. तुम्हाला माहीत आहे की मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन म्हणजे काय? मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स पर युनिट एरिया. हे मॅग्नेटिक इंडक्शन कुठं काढायचं आहे आपल्याला? ॲट अ पॉईंट ऑन ॲक्सिस ऑफ बार मॅग्नेट काढायचं आहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर अ बार मॅग्नेट consisting of 2 poles N and S having pole strength plus M and minus M separated by a distance of 2L. Center as O. The line which is passing through this dipole is known as axis of dipole. On the axis, let P be a point at a distance of R from center of bar magnet on a axial line at which the magnetic induction to be determined. To determine the magnetic induction at this point, first of all we have to find the magnetic induction at a point P due to N pole is given by that is B1 is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi. This is the magnetic constant. Pole strength divided by distance square. Here from this distance is R minus L, or we have to say that as a NP square. It is represented by vector B1 and directed away from N pole. Now we have to determine the magnetic induction at a point P due to S pole is given by B2 is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi M upon SP square. The distance from the S pole is R plus L. And it is represented by vector B2 directed towards the pole. Here from figure NP is equal to R minus L and SP is equal to R plus L. And the resultant magnetic induction at a point P due to bar magnet, or we have to say that as a dipole, is given by B is equal to B1 plus B2. Put the values of B1 and B2 in the equation. Therefore, B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi m upon r minus L its square minus mu 0 upon 4 pi m upon r plus L its square. In the above equation, mu 0 upon 4 pi is common, m is also common, in bracket 1 by r minus L its square minus 1 by r plus L its square. If we have to take the LCM, then mu 0 upon 4 pi m into bracket r minus L its square, in another bracket r plus L its square. Therefore, r plus L its square minus r minus L its square. We know how to calculate the LCM and do the calculation. Another mu 0 upon 4 pi m into bracket r square plus L square plus 2RL minus r square minus L square plus 2RL divided by, using the mathematical relation, that is a minus b whole square into a plus b whole square can be written as a square minus b square whole square. Here plus r square minus r square plus L square minus L square gets cancelled, and the equation becomes B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi m into 4 RL divided by r square minus L square whole square. Now, this 4r can be split into 2r into 2. Then we get the equation, that is a B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi m into 2L into 2r divided by r square minus L square whole square. By definition, m into 2L is capital M. Therefore, B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi capital 2m small r divided by r square minus L square whole square. This is the equation of magnetic induction at a point along the axis of bar magnet. If this magnet is a very short, what is meant by short? Short means very small, means the distance of the point from the pole is center and pole is very less. If the bar magnet is very short, then what happens? The value of L is very, very, very less than, to see here, the value of L is very, very, very less than R. Hence, we neglect L. Therefore, the above equation becomes B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m into r divided by r raised to 4. Here we have to neglect this L square. R square whole square is r raised to 4. This is 3. Therefore, magnetic induction at a point on the axis of short bar magnet is given by mu 0 upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube. This is the very important derivation. From this derivation we conclude that this magnetic induction is directly proportional to magnetic dipole moment and inversely proportional to cube of distance of the point from center of the short magnet. In this way we have to derive this important derivation. After that again one more derivation can be derived, which is also very important for your class as well as for NEET and JEE.